Greetings, my name is Daniel Tal. I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to start off with a little bit of a different project this time instead of just focusing on SketchUp. Talking about how in our practice we work in a full cycle of using a variety of tools. I have 13 drone pilots that work underneath me in our studio. Most of them are designers, architects, landscape architects, and all sorts of other capabilities. This was a project done by DHM Design. The designer was Mark Wilcox, a good friend, and it's the 39th Avenue Greenway in Denver. And this was actually what you're looking at is a SketchUp model. But first and foremost, we went downtown, took the drone, popped it up in the air, took a nice bird's eye view, started understanding how to look at the site from a drone's perspective and see how it works. We then took our 3D model and did a really quick and nice overlay. And this was for the proposal. It was a paid competition between us and several other firms. We were awarded the project at the end, and that's why we like this process. But you can go from the bird's eye aerial down to the drone and down to having this kind of bird's eye drone photo match. We modeled it in SketchUp. We animated it in Lumion. We modeled the entire 1 mile of this corridor, pretty detailed, really getting down into what we would say design development, almost construction documentation level, and keeping this as a live model. We went out there with some AR tools to lay out what the site would look like in terms of the project and how it fits, and doing some measurements. While it was under construction, went back out there with the drone and scanned it. What you're looking at, why it's blurry, is actually a point cloud of the site. And from there, we could take high resolution aerials and watch construction as it was going along and documenting this, and also make comments on making sure this is good for construction administration. Again, here's another point cloud of the site under construction. And here I'm actually using Trimble's old version of Trimble Scan Essentials. So again, you're looking at this is inside SketchUp, which I love, and it's a powerful tool. I plan to do more videos on. And here's, for example, we're at the end of this, here's a final render that we did in Lumion. And then we went out there and with the drone after it was completed and actually started taking photos of what we were seeing in the site and comparing it to the model, which we love to do. Obviously, there's some differences, not everything is the same, but there's a great deal of similarities. And this is the power of combining all these different tools together, whether it's 3D modeling, a drone, scanning, high resolution aerials, all the different pieces that go into a site and really modeling it to spec. We were very happy with the results. It's a really nice space. It's become pretty popular. Here's an example of this process. This is the photo, and underneath here was the lighting studies that were completed for it. And then just the final shot of what this looks like. Going back to the original shot at the way beginning of going full circle. And that's how these tools are intended to be used. That's part of our practice and our thought process. It's not just about creating a model. It's not just talking about something that's digital twin, something we'll talk about as well. This is more along the lines of how you can bring all these projects together. Please like and subscribe to the video if you want more content. We'd love that. And by all means, leave some comments for us. Tell us what kind of tutorials or videos you'd like to see, and of course, share it along. We appreciate it. Thank you very much, and continue to have a good day.